Have you ever been hit by a headache that just won't go away? Whether it's a tight, throbbing feeling or that constant pressure, headaches can be a real struggle. But what if I told you that you don't always need to rush to a doctor to find relief? You can treat headaches right at home with simple, natural remedies. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 effective ways to ease your headache without stepping out of your home. Stay tuned, because these tips are going to change how you handle headaches forever. Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly talk about the most common types of headaches you might face. You might have experienced one of these yourself. Tension headaches, the most common, usually caused by stress or poor posture. Migraine headaches, these come with intense pain, nausea, and sensitivity to light or sound. Cluster headaches, rare but incredibly painful, often happening in one side of the head. Sinus headaches, caused by sinus infections or congestion, leading to pain in the forehead and around the eyes. But no matter the type, we've got solutions for all of them. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is super simple. Drink more water. Did you know dehydration can be one of the leading causes of headaches? When your body isn't getting enough water, it can cause tension and discomfort in your head. So, next time you feel a headache coming on, grab a glass of water and sip it slowly. It's a quick and easy fix. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep yourself hydrated and reduce the chances of headaches. Tip number 2. Essential oils can be a game changer. Lavender oil, peppermint oil, and eucalyptus oil are known to provide relief from headaches. Just apply a few drops to your temples, the back of your neck, or your wrists, and inhale deeply. Peppermint oil, in particular, has a cooling effect that helps relax the muscles in your head and neck, which can ease tension headaches. Lavender oil is perfect for calming down migraine pain, and eucalyptus oil can help clear sinus congestion. Tip number 3. Stretching and releasing tension from your neck and shoulders. Sometimes, headaches happen because we hold stress in our upper body. Long hours at the desk, poor posture, or just sitting still for too long can trigger those nasty tension headaches. Take short breaks throughout your day to stretch your neck, shoulders, and upper back. You can even use a foam roller or a tennis ball to massage the tight muscles. It's an easy way to release the tension that's building up. Tip number 4 is about finding peace. Sometimes, all your body needs is rest. When you feel a headache coming on, try to lie down in a quiet, dark room. Bright lights and noise can make headaches worse, especially migraines. Try to close your eyes, breathe slowly, and let your body relax. A few minutes of rest in a peaceful setting can do wonders for headache relief. Tip number 5. Practice deep breathing and meditation. If stress is a trigger for your headaches, deep breathing can help relax your body and mind. The more relaxed you are, the less likely tension headaches are to take over. Take a few deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on your breath, and let your body relax with every exhale. This simple technique can reduce the intensity of your headache and help you feel calm. To recap, here are the 5 natural ways you can treat headaches at home. Drink plenty of water. Use essential oils like peppermint and lavender. Stretch your neck and shoulders. Rest in a quiet, dark room. Practice deep breathing and meditation. I hope these simple yet effective tips help you find relief from your headaches. Remember, headaches are common, and with these remedies, you don't always have to rely on medications. Try these natural methods next time, and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care.